Applying to Cambly, what you need to know before you submit. So, you're applying to Cambly, you probably have questions. This video walks you through the core parts of the application: your profile photo, your tutor bio, your intro video, and your basic setup. It's made specifically for Cambly applicants, but the same principles apply to platforms like italki and Preply. It's short and it's direct. Cambly doesn't usually give you feedback, and if you get rejected or ghosted, you won't know why. So this video exists to help you avoid that. It doesn't matter if you have no experience, no TEFL. Cambly doesn't hire certificates. They hire real people who speak clearly, listen well, and can hold a conversation. So if that's you, let's make sure your application actually shows it. Application checklist. These are the things that you'll need before you click submit. Pause and check this list. If something's missing, fix it first. You'll need a clear, natural sounding bio, not copy pasted, not overly formal. A professional profile photo, head and shoulders, calm expression, good lighting. A friendly intro video, 1 to 3 minutes, simple, relaxed, and human. A bright, clean background, a headset or good microphone. Audio matters more than you think. A calm, confident tone, not scripted, not robotic, and you'll need to have a good connection. Cambly forms an opinion very quickly. Your goal is to look like someone a student would feel comfortable talking to. Your profile photo. Yes, it matters. Let's talk about the photo because people underestimate this. Your profile photo is often the first thing Cambly and students see. This is not a glamour shot, and it's not a passport photo either. Here's what works. Head and shoulders only, neutral or light background, natural lighting, face a window if you can, simple professional clothing, and a relaxed, friendly expression. So you don't need a suit, you don't need heavy makeup, you don't need filters. Avoid sunglasses, group photos, cropped party pictures, busy backgrounds, dark or grainy images. You're aiming for approachable and trustworthy, not flashy. If your photo looks rushed or careless, it quietly sends the message that you didn't try, even if that's not true. Writing a bio that actually works. The point of your bio is simple: to show Cambly and students that you're normal, friendly, and know how to help people talk. Common mistakes I see all the time. The bio is too vague. It's all about you, not the student. It sounds like an essay, or you're trying way too hard. A simple structure that works. Number 1, a short, friendly greeting. 2, what you help with: conversation, confidence, pronunciation. 3, who you're best suited for. Is it adults, nervous speakers, beginners? And 4, a soft call to action. Here's an example of what not to do. Hi, my name is Emma. I love helping people learn English. I have a TEFL and I'm very passionate about teaching. I love yoga and traveling. This is extremely common and extremely forgettable. A better version would be, hi, I help learners feel more confident speaking English. I focus on conversation skills and clear pronunciation. I'm calm, patient, and always happy to adapt to your needs. Let's build your fluency together. That works. A few important tips. Use clear, simple language. Don't oversell yourself. Avoid words like fun-loving or passionate. And skip long hobby lists. You're not writing a personal diary. You're positioning yourself as a calm, reliable tutor. Recording your intro video. Cambly asks for a 1 to 3 minute intro video. This is not an interview and it's not a teaching demo. You're simply showing how you come across on camera. Ask yourself, will I feel comfortable talking to this person for 30 minutes? That's what Cambly is checking. Here's a simple structure you can follow. Hi, I'm Patty. I help students improve their confidence and speaking skills. I work with learners from many backgrounds and focus on relaxed, friendly conversations. I'm looking forward to meeting you on Cambly. And that's enough. Usually about 1.5 minutes is just about right. Now here's what not to do. Don't read a script word for word. Don't sound flat or bored. Don't film in the dark. Don't sit next to loud distractions. Don't use academic teaching jargon. Cambly doesn't care. So the checklist before you record: natural eye contact, decent lighting, clean background, clear audio, no echo or static, and a relaxed smile. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to be clear, calm, and human. Equipment you actually need. You don't need a studio setup. And I wouldn't advise you that you go out and buy these things. Just use what you have at home, or if you have a friend that has these things, then you can borrow them for the day. So the minimum requirements are a headset or USB microphone. Don't use your laptop mic because it's usually awful. And then lighting. Sit near a window and add a cheap ring light if needed. A camera. Your laptop camera is fine if it's reasonably modern. And the background, this should be plain, tidy, with no visual noise. Internet, wired is best. Wi-Fi is fine if it's stable. Top 5 reasons people get rejected. So there are many reasons why your application may not be accepted by Cambly, and they will never tell you, but I will. The most common reasons are: the demo felt stiff, mumbly, or chaotic. Your bio didn't say what you actually do. Your text setup was distracting or of poor quality. You came across as nervous, unnatural, or unfriendly, and it looked like you didn't try. So any one of these can get you ghosted, but if you fix them, your odds can improve dramatically. Next, we have the connection test. So as part of your application, Cambly will ask you to do a connection test. They need to see that your internet and audio are stable. Use a wired connection if you can, and if you're on Wi-Fi, make sure it's strong and stable. Final steps before you click submit. At this point, you should have a clear profile photo, a simple student-focused bio, a relaxed, friendly intro video, a clean background and decent audio, a stable internet connection you've already tested. If all of that's in place, you're ready. Remember, Cambly doesn't hire based on experience, they hire based on vibe. Can you speak clearly? Can you listen? Can you hold a conversation? If yes, don't overthink it. Present yourself like someone who's ready to show up and help. And finally, if you'd like a second opinion before submitting, Or if you've already been rejected and don't know why, I offer calm, honest feedback on tutor bios and recorded demo videos. Best of luck with your application.